Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool 2500 desk telephone. This is Chinita's equipment from Arizona, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now we have some issues with this unit. We know the line cord needs to be repaired. It also needs to be reattached to the network. We also need to install a Polarity Protect circuit at the network. We want to go through the handset cord, the transmit, receive. We also want to go through the keypad. We want to make sure that the keypad is working properly. We also want to go through the network. We want to make sure that our connections are proper and that they're tight. We'll go through the hook switch, the bell, and the bell circuit. We're going to do some still pictures of this telephone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair of this really cool 2500 desk telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now we want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. Today is Wednesday, January 31st. The current time, 10:39 p.m. and the temperature, 46 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can give you some dial tone. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. We'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool 2500 desk telephone has been repaired, we can return it and they can enjoy this unit. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.